I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your device is unlocked and has enough charge. If it's below critical levels, plug it in. Next, open the Settings app. This is where system power controls live. If you have many menus, use the Settings search and type battery or power to jump straight to the right section. Once there, pause and look for a power saving, battery saver, or low power mode option, because that's the control we'll turn off in the next step. Now that you're in the battery or power menu, scan for the specific power saving control. Some systems present a toggle labeled power saving, battery saver, or low power mode. Others use named profiles like maximum battery or optimized. Tap the toggle or open the profile list and choose off or the normal performance profile. Make sure any automatic schedule or threshold, for example, turn on at 15%, is also finish by confirming the change. The battery menu should indicate power saving is off or show your device in normal performance. If apps still restrict background activity, restart the device to clear cached power policies. Make sure to check any companion apps or manufacturer utilities that might reapply limits. If the mode returns or restrictions persist, update your OS, reset battery settings, or remove third-party battery managers. These steps usually resolve stubborn re-enabling or misapplied power limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.